Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a delicious yogurt mousse. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including 1 cup of cold plain yogurt and 1 cup of heavy cream. Begin by whipping the heavy cream in a chilled bowl until it forms soft, fluffy peaks. This step is crucial for achieving that wonderfully light and airy texture we all love in a mousse. Next, in a separate bowl, combine your 1 cup of cold plain yogurt with about 2 tablespoons of your preferred sweetener, such as honey or maple syrup. Stir in 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely aromatic touch. Once thoroughly mixed, very gently fold the whipped cream into the yogurt mixture using a spatula. This careful folding technique helps keep the mousse light and airy. Now, transfer your yogurt mousse mixture into individual serving dishes or a larger bowl. Cover it tightly with plastic wrap and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours. Chilling is essential as it allows the mousse to set and develop its characteristic firm yet airy consistency. Remember, patience here ensures a perfectly delightful dessert. Do not rush this important step. Once thoroughly chilled, your yogurt mousse is ready to be enjoyed. Garnish it with fresh berries, a sprinkle of granola, or a drizzle of extra honey for an elegant finish. Feel free to get creative with flavors. Try adding a ½ teaspoon of lemon zest or 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder to the yogurt mixture for exciting variations. Leftovers can be stored in the refrigerator for up to 3 days.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.